Hey Dwight, it's Daryl here. I'm in Rick's Restoration Garage in Las Vegas, Nevada. Just wanted to wish you a happy retirement and sing a little song for you. So, open up happiness, open up a Coke. Here's to you, Dwight.
Hey, I'm pretty thirsty. How about you?
Really thirsty. I'm parched. What are you feeling like?
I could really go for an ice cold Coca-Cola.
Open up happiness, open up a Coke. Open up happiness, open up a Coke. Add a little ice cream, make yourself afloat. Empty calories sliding down your throat. Your hips will remember every sip you took. So open up happiness, open up a Coke. Open up happiness, open up a Coke. If obesity is happiness, open up a Coke. If diabetes is happiness, open up a Coke. If caffeine is what you need, open up a Coke. If tooth decay makes your day, open up a Coke. Open up happiness, open up a Coke. Open up happiness, open up a Coke. Oil on your driveway, clean it up with Coke. Blood on your t-shirt, soak it out with Coke. Tenderize your pot roast, add a little Coke. Rust on your pickup truck, clean it up with Coke. Open up happiness, open up a Coke. Open up happiness, open up a Coke. Coke is it, Coke is it, choke is it, Coke is it, choke is it, Coke
Two
is
Coke,
it.
please. Yes, I do. I'm putting to Coke.
All right.
Cheers.